What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Clickup project management tool in order to manage your social media. So by managing your social media, I mean like planning posts and like meet videos and or photos, schedule them and be reminded and like basically planning my posting on social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Now here I'm on my main ClickUp dashboard right here. I've signed up with a free account. It's pretty easy to create an account and sign up. And here I have home. This is my home main dashboard. My recent tasks that are here are the dummy tasks that are generated, task 1, 2, and 3. My inbox where I can view my message, my documents, all my recent documents right here, my main dashboards that I can work with, my main clips, and more. Now, to create a social media management tool, here I'm on my space, my main default space right here. Now, let's create a new space. Click on Create Space here, and let's name it Social Media. And description, let's say this is a social, or this is my social media management hub. Okay, and now let's use a template. Here I have many templates to choose from, and the one I want to use is focused on managing my social media. So here, let's wait for them like a couple of seconds to load up. And once they do, right off the bat, I can see here a template on starting a social media marketing agency. However, I can, of course, use it for my personal social media, not agency. So let's click on it. I can view it right here. I can view the template description. Let's use the template. Space name is a social media marketing agency. Let's name it social media. Okay, I can import everything or customize import item. Let's import everything for now, and now let's use the template. And now it's being created, as you can see here. And now that it is loaded up right here, as you can see. Now, if I go to it, I can view the recent and the docs. And here the folders, I have marketing, business development, client, and sales. Let's go to the marketing folder. And here I can add a new list. Let's name the list Facebook, for example. Okay, create a list. And now in the Facebook list, I can add the tasks as like the titles of my posts. So let's see, test post. And I can add here a comment or description as the post itself. So here, if I go to test post, I can add a description as the post itself. This is an important post. Okay, blah, blah, blah. And once I'm happy with it, I can just go ahead and save my changes, close it. And I can add new lists for all my social media platforms if I want to. Now, in my social media schedule here, I can view a list view of all my contents right here, the production stage, if it's ideas and scheduling, if it's live or it's designing the graphics and so much more. Here I can get a view. I can view it in a content calendar. I can view it in a list view, calendar view, board view, table, docs, and so much more. And I can also edit the lists right here. Scrolling through it, I can view all my details that are done.